Good morning, I'm Mike Staton. Welcome to another live video. This is my first one that I'm ever doing on LinkedIn as well, so please be kind. Today I want to discuss the big topic in the financial services sector, and that is what the Bank of England will do today, potentially with the Bank of England base rate. It's heavily tipped that we're going to go back to pre-COVID figures, so we're going to go up potentially from 0.5% to a highly expected 0.75%. Now, the newspapers, the media will make a massive deal out of this. It's bad news, but is it really bad news? Inflation levels are the highest I've ever seen. And the Bank of England base rate is sometimes used in financial services, or is used in financial services to reduce inflation. So whilst the media are there telling us that the Bank of England base rate going up is a massive negative, we've also got the other side where the media is saying inflation is absolutely ridiculously high and the cost of living is ludicrous. So we can't have the best of both worlds. So hopefully seeing the Bank of England increase their base rate today, we'll see a reduction in the future for inflation and bringing our cost of living down. Now, for me, I specialise in the mortgage industry. So what does that mean, or what does the potential increase mean for my mortgage customers and for you in general if you're looking at getting a mortgage on your own? Well, first of all, a Bank of England rate is more than likely going to see the majority of the banks increase their mortgage rates, their standard variable rates, their fixed rates. Now, if you are on a fixed rate at the moment, you're pretty safe. Fixed rates won't be affected by the Bank of England base rate if it does increase at the moment. So if you have fixed in for 2, 3, 5 years, then you've got till the end of that fixed term to make sure that, where you know what you're currently paying, and that is the beauty of a fixed rate. If you are currently sat on your standard variable rate, or you are on a base rate tracker, it may now be time to review your situation, book in to see a mortgage advisor, book in to see your current mortgage lender, and see if they can refix your rate for a more stable rate. But for me, the most important thing is knowing exactly what you're doing moving forward. So I do believe a fixed rate at this moment in time, with all the economic uncertainty that we've got, is going to be fixed every day. For me, I wouldn't have anything else other than a fix, but that's my own personal circumstances, that's my own individual opinion. And when you're receiving mortgage advice on your mortgage, make sure you're receiving it based on your own personal circumstances and not just bog standard off-the-shelf advice. So the hot topic today is the financial, is the Bank of England interest rate. We will find out later whether or not they have increased it. Again, my money is on them increasing it. Hopefully that will bring inflation down and cost of living will see cost of living drop. But for me, the most important thing is get yourself, if you are a homeowner or you are looking for a mortgage, get yourself fixed if that is the right thing for you to do. So you've got the stability and you know exactly what you're paying on a month-by-month basis. High street lenders over the past couple of months have already massively increased their fixed rates. We've seen interest rate increases of some lenders of up to 0.6%, which was a massive difference between the 0.25% that the Bank of England increased it by to what the lenders are currently doing. So yeah, your lenders are using this as an excuse to bump up what they're charging their customers to maximise their profit. So make sure you don't fall foul of that. Don't just sit there on your standard variable rate if you're sitting there for the sake of it. Get yourself booked in to get some mortgage advice with a trusted mortgage advisor, and most importantly, do what's right for you. But my name is Mike Staton. I'm the founder of Staton Mortgages, Mansfield and Ashfields' highest rated mortgage brokerage based on Google reviews. It's been great speaking to you, and I look forward to seeing what the Bank of England do today. Take care.